Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 208 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today, we're taking a moment to simply look out the window, allowing what's outside to bring you into the present. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position and let your gaze soften as you look outside. Notice what's there, like shapes, colors, and maybe light or movement. There's nothing to analyze, just observing. Breathe in gently and exhale slowly. Let your eyes rest on something simple, a tree, the sky, or a shadow, and allow it to ground you. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present. Carry this sense of calm with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.